Spot color editing, what you can never do in Photoshop without this plugin. In this screen video, I'm going to show you how you can switch CMYK inks to two spot colors. First, I set up minimum dots on this panel so I will get an accurate preview from the plugin during the entire workflow. After processing, I already get the print simulation mode on according to my previous settings. Now I turn it off for the better understanding of the workflow. Next step is to check my CMYK plates one by one, because obviously these will be the source channels for the new spot plates. I'm going to re-separate only the image at the bottom so you can see the difference between the two in real time. I click on New Spot Channel and select yellow as a source for my first Pantone ink. You can turn the underprinting process colors on and off for each spot channel. Now I leave magenta and black on because I need them as a source for the next spot plate. As I have just said, I will use magenta and black. Check out the color bars on the right side of the image. Yellow changed to a light green, magenta and black together changed to a dark green spot ink. Now I will ask for an adjustment layer on P357 to get more contrast and make my spot image look the same as the original process color version. The adjustment layer appeared in my action list here. You can also turn this on and off anytime during your workflow so you won't destruct your spot channel. At the end, I can turn print simulation back on to check the result. As you can see, the spot separation is more vivid and more appetizing than the process version. Moreover, we have to retouch and produce only 2 plates instead of 4.